Hello YouTube, I'm Caitlin again. Should like think of the light. Shut up. I'm Caitlin, and I'm going to be singing a song. If you like it, you should tell me so. Comment if you like it. Like if you like it. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Okay. Whoa. 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 Even when you say you're gone, I'll know you lie. Even when you're back tonight, I know you'll fry up the things you did to me and regret all you did. Don't hurt me. Don't take away my emotions. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me today. 'Cause I don't want you to be in my life anymore. 'Cause you just don't want me. Okay, that's what I have so far on my song. So comment, rate, subscribe, whatever. I'm going to sing if you want. Thank you for listening.
I think I have to tap my nose.
Hold on. Shut up, Amber. Thank you. Bye.